Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to test the FitDVR power adapter from fitcamx. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is the power adapter. So this is a vehicle specific adapter. They sell also for universal application to a different vehicle. So this will work on multiple vehicles. So they support multiple vehicles. So in my case, basically this will be tested out on one of my Toyota. It's either the RAV4 or the 4Runner. So again, this is the box, the power adapter, and it is nicely built. Okay, so this will give you a 5-volt power, which most dashcam use, and also an output of 12 volts, where some accessories like radar detectors, some other GPS, so they use 12-volt power, which is nice. So in this one, this will be connected to our TSS sensor by the rear view mirror. Okay, so if you're familiar with my previous video on my fitcamx dashcam, so they use this. So this is a Y cable, some call it piggyback harness. So this will go to the TSS sensor plug. Just unplug that, plug this, and plug back the factory harness in here. Okay, and then you just need to connect this to, it goes one way. So just like that, simple as that. Just plug it in and we're gonna get power. So once we get power on this box, basically you just have to choose what adapter you're gonna use. So they sent 6 power cable in here, and we got some micro USB, USB type C, and a mini USB to USB A. And then we got some 3.5 millimeter jack in here, power jack. Okay, and it comes one with an angle, a straight, and a RJ11. So some accessories, I'm not aware of any accessories that use this, but if you're using one, this will be helpful. Okay, so basically this is an easy install. FitDVR also sent me a universal dash cam, and it is the FitDVR Dashcam F3. This one is a nice dash cam on paper. So according to them, this one actually uses the Sony Starvis 2 sensor on their camera, which means it has a good or great low light performance. So we'll see if basically that's true. So we will see and we will review this also. We're going to do the quick install on this one, and also just a quick reminder, this will not work basically on park mode. So if you want the park mode to be enabled on your dash cam, again, you can use different dash cam on this one. So if you want that park mode enabled, you're gonna be needing the universal hardware kit. Okay, but again, if you just want basically a clean installation, this is the solution. All right, so come on, let's begin. I'll show you the quick install on this one. All right, so we're working on the 4Runner in here. As you can see here, we have a fitcamx dashcam already installed. I don't have any issues with this one. This one works perfectly fine. It's doing its job, and this is hardwired to my fuse box, and it is basically, it works when it's parked or anything like that. So again, it has a continuous loop recording. I don't have any issues basically on battery draining on this vehicle. So again, This is fine. And so I'll show you. So basically, if you have a factory cover in here, so same process. All you need to do is slide this one down, okay? And then, of course, you won't have the wires hanging like that. So I'll show you. So that one just got pulled. And let me get this out of the way. So basically, that's how it's gonna look like. So we have to remove this clip in here, which let me show you. And I'll try to get some more light in here. Okay, so all we need to do is remove this. Just unplug this. Okay, next is we're going to plug in the one from FitDVR. Okay, so it's in there. And next thing is we just need to plug these two together. Okay, let me work on this with two hands. All right, so just simply put these two together. Yes, there you go. So just put these two together, and then you just need to find a space for this and tuck it in properly. Okay, all right, so what we have to do next is basically put the FitDVR power adapter, okay, and find a location where to stick it. So again, just simply put this on, okay, and now again, just reverse the process, find the space for this one, just tuck it in, and then we're going to stick this basically where's the convenient location, where's the nearest one, where you're basically the nearest one where you're going to install your dash cam. All right, so let me work on that. All right, so now that we put this back together, this cable, we're just gonna tuck this in here, and our FitDVR power adapter, I think I'm just gonna stick it in here, the back of our fitcamx, okay, and we'll put one of our dash cam on the other side. Okay, so that's what we're gonna try to do. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then we're gonna find another solution for that. Okay, so again, very easy installation. You can use any device or any dash cam that you like on this one. So in my case, I will put another dash cam in here that is from FitDVR also, and that dash cam is a nice one. Okay, at least with the spec sheet, it is a nice one. So it has a built-in GPS also, and yeah, so just going to stick this and make sure that I won't slide the cover down again. So yep, so again, we're just gonna clean this up. Basically, I'm just gonna tuck this in here on top of our headliner, okay, just to make it clean. All right, and then what we're gonna do next is we're going to test with the actual dash cam. All right, so right now we plugged in our dash cam, and it's reading 5.01 volt, and it's pulling 0.69, 0.74 amps. Our dash cam is here. Yeah, so this is nice. I like it. So we're gonna finalize our install with this dash cam, and then with the review of the dash cam, I'll put basically, or I'll shoot some videos, on-road video demo on this dash cam. Again, using the FitDVR power adapter. You can use any dash cam, or if you want to use the FitDVR, again, we'll see how good this one is. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. This FitDVR is awesome to get extra power if you want extra power for your accessories. Again, if you have some radar detectors, if you want to power some GPS, yeah, you can plug them in here and you're gonna get extra power without the hassle of hardwiring it, going to the headliner, going to the A-pillar, going down to your fuse box. So again, this is a nice solution that they have in here. Again, this is from FitDVR. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.